Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial video on the 22 on Sloane virtual campus system. Okay, so in this tutorial video, we'll just be basically going over how to go about submitting your assignment and providing course feedback. Okay, so let's get started. For this example, I'm going to be using the business process mapping and modeling course because we already have an assignment that's due. If we go to our dashboard quickly, you'll see that on our calendar there's an entry on the 17th. If you click on that, you'll say to submit your business process map. That activity associated with the business process mapping course should be completed. So let's go straight to the activity from our calendar. Okay, so this basically takes you to the submission page. Another way to submit your assignments other than going straight to your calendar, you'll just basically access our course from our dashboard or from the site home, and then scroll down till we see the activity submit your business process map, which is an assignment activity. Okay, so we've already completed the workshop as well. I've watched both the tutorials given by 22 on Sloane, and I've already compiled my business process map for my company. So now all that's left for me to do is to submit my business process map. Now it says that the instructions illustrate your understanding of this course by creating your own business process map. Submit your assignment in PDF format. If you click on that, it will take us also to the submission page, which can either be accessed from the course or from your calendar. So what we're going to do is we're going to proceed to click on Add Submission. And once you've clicked on that, we just have to browse in our computer directory to look for the file that we've basically our business process map. So you click on the file icon, then you click on Browse. I'm just going to go to my desktop. I save it on my desktop, OV-Graphics Business Process Map. Okay, so now that that's attached, I'm going to upload the file, and then I'm going to click on Save Changes. So once that's done, you'll see the submission status has been changed to submitted for grading. It hasn't been graded yet because the 22 on Sloane coordinator will then view my submission, add any comments associated with my submission, and then provide feedback on whether I've passed or basically I've understood the business process mapping course. You can also add comments to your submission so that your coordinator can also, for instance, if you really need to give additional information with your submission. So for example, I'm just going to say answer is PDF. This is an example. It's just a basic message that will accompany your submission. So if you feel that you also need to make some changes to your submission, don't worry, your submission isn't locked. You can always go to edit submission and then re-upload. You can just basically click on this file, delete it if you don't want to upload it, and then proceed to re-upload your file from scratch. Okay, another thing I wanted to show everyone is the feedback. Now this is very, very important for 22 on Sloane. So you see, okay, once you submitted our assignment, that's already been automatically marked as complete. Now we have to give feedback. So the feedback will just basically help the 22 on Sloane coordinator determine whether or not the course was helpful and what changes they need to make for future reference. Okay, so did the workshop help you understand the concept of business process model more clearly? Yes. So you'll see it's a yes or no answer that they specify here. So you'll just proceed to answer all of these. Yes, because I've already done my business process map. Did the workshop meet your expectations? Yes, because now I have an understanding of business process mapping. Balance between instruction and practice? Yes, because we engaged together and we developed the business process map in the course. Relevant for my business? Yes, definitely, because now I have a deep understanding about how things work and I can make changes wherever necessary. How can we improve about the workshops? Okay, so you'll just basically enter whatever fields you'd like to enter. I mean, changes that you'd want Sloane to conduct in their workshops. So I'm going to say this is an example, but don't feel obliged to answer like me. You need to answer according to how you actually felt the course was. So then you click on submit your answers, and then it's have been submitted. Then you click on continue, scroll down, and then now you can manually mark this activity as being completed. Now, when you return to your dashboard, you'll see that now my course is 100% complete, and the activities associated with my course is now 100% complete. This is because I'm only currently registered for the business process mapping and modeling course. Okay, so that covers the tutorial video on submitting assignments and providing feedback. I hope you got the most out of this tutorial. Upcoming tutorials will explain more about other activities as well as the blog feature that we've also introduced for networking. Okay, see you guys soon.